Isethulo sombiko oncoma ukuthi kumiswe amalungu ephalamende e-EFF ayishumi nambili usihlalo wekomiti uLemias Mashile siqubule enye inkulumo mpikiswano. Amalungu amaqembu aphikisayo asola usihlalo wekomiti elaziwa nge-powers and privileges ngokwedusa iphalamende.
Yes, honorable member.
There's no debate here. The report that we got from him as members of the committee is not the one he's reading for starters. Doesn't state that. It's a totally different report. There is no such fact statement.
Honorable
Thank
member.
you. It's wrong.
Umholi we-EFF uJulius Malema akachithanga isikhathi ukukuveza lokhu.
I'm rising on a point of order. That's what I'm rising on.
What's your
I'm
point
rising
of
on
order?
the point of order is the gentleman there misrepresent the committee, and members of the committee, they stand up. It's not parties. It's people who are in that committee who are saying it is not a true reflection. And you want him to continue as if nothing is happening. He must first correct that statement before he proceed.
Imoya ye yaphakama ke ngesikhathi usekela somlomo uLechisa Tsenudi ecima umbhobho wokukhuluma kulandela ukuthi amalungu e-EFF enqabile ukuhlala phansi. uTsenudi uthe ingoba lamalungu ephula imithetho ngamabomu.
The microphone will be switched on for a member who has been recognized.
But you cut him.
When-
King. You cut him when he was speaking.
I cut him off because he speaks when I am speaking.
iDA uchithile lo mbiko ngelithi uchemile.